There's a surprise gift for our bride and groom tonight. Our bride and groom doesn't have any idea about this. But ladies and gents, palakpakan po natin ng napakalakas, kamanapin mo. Surprise gift for our bride and groom, these beautiful ladies, for Lorraine and Joker.
Medyo po na-pressure po kami dun sa unang pumalit. Pwede niyo po kami tatanong. May lyrics po tayo sa atin.
Oh my God! Kinakakaw ko yan. Ay, huwag kayo ba
JC.
Joker and Neeling, my heart is happy for both of you. You are finally here for the next chapter of your life. Akala ko forever boyish na to si Neeling, pero napalapas ang pagiging feminine side dahil kay Joker. May the Lord be the center of your marriage, Neeling and Joker. Challenges are unavoidable. Pero once you wrap everything in Him, everything will be a blessing. Neeling, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Sai. From the day na inampun niyo ako ni Sai, I know till forever our friendship is one of the treasure I have in life. Joker, thank you for loving our lady. We have witnessed paano mo alagaan yung ni namin. May it be forever. So, paano ba yan paunahan magka-baby? Alam mo namang mag-aalaga ang makuhuli. Magpa-aalaga ng inaanak, ha? God bless you po.
We love you, Lily. Sana nagustuhan niyo to.